Actually, I'm going to talk about our biotechnology to develop a solution to intervene from the genome to metabolic, to come to the solutions to intervene the long-COVID symptoms. I'll just show you the way we're doing that. So we have a very specific questionnaire, over hundreds of those questionnaires we wanted to study. Personal details, that's what was called the PCH, we call it post-COVID healing. That's our product, I'll talk about later, right? So we use a whole questionnaire before and after, really look into how you change, how you feel along COVID, right? When you get infected, or including Dr. Wang mentioned and how many doses you got, and what is the vaccine you get, is it Pfizer's or is someone else. We record every detail of the person. So when we went through the DNA analysis, that's our lab. Then we also did a small molecule analysis using mass spec. I use a qPCR for the DNA analysis. Then we use we have a group to develop algorithm. And also we use artificial machine learning. I will show you how to do it. Then we come up with CHI. Then with the CHI, we'll have the personalized nutraceuticals. I will show you what they are. Basically, that's the liposomal glutathione, minerals such as the vitamin C and the zinc and the selenium and the vitamin 2 based on the pathologics. We invented the third. It worked pretty well, right? So we use this one, use different CHI to guide your intervention. You have a higher dose, you have more of the supplements. So we use that as the trial to see that if that works, right? So this is our workflow.
Exceptional technology, extraordinary health. Govita Tech Limited.